How to burn stored body fat. Welcome back to the Gain Goals channel, where we provide you with the tools and knowledge to achieve your fitness goals. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. In today's episode, we'll be discussing an important topic that many people are interested in: how to burn stored body fat. Whether you're looking to lose weight or enhance your overall health, understanding the science behind fat burning and implementing effective strategies can help you reach your desired goals. So, let's dive right in. Before we explore the techniques for burning stored body fat, it's crucial to have a basic understanding of how our bodies store and utilize fat. Fat is stored in adipose tissue throughout the body, and it serves as a source of energy when needed. The key to burning stored body fat lies in creating an energy deficit by consuming fewer calories than your body needs. When you maintain this deficit, your body taps into its fat stores to make up for the energy shortfall, resulting in weight loss and reduced body fat percentage. Segment 1. The role of diet. The first aspect we'll discuss is diet, as it plays a vital role in your fat-burning journey. To burn stored body fat effectively, you must focus on creating a calorie deficit through proper nutrition. Here are a few key strategies. 1. Caloric deficit. Determine your daily caloric needs and aim to consume slightly fewer calories than your body requires for maintenance. This can be achieved by tracking your food intake and making conscious choices to reduce calorie-dense foods. 2. Macronutrient balance. Pay attention to your macronutrient distribution. Increase your protein intake to support muscle preservation and increase satiety. Opt for complex carbohydrates and prioritize healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. 3. Meal timing and frequency. Consider implementing strategies like intermittent fasting or adjusting your meal frequency to find a schedule that works best for your body and lifestyle. Segment 2. Effective exercise strategies. While diet plays a significant role, incorporating the right exercise strategies can optimize fat burning and help you achieve your goals faster. Here are some effective exercise strategies to consider. 1. Cardiovascular training. Engage in cardiovascular exercises like running, cycling, or swimming to increase your heart rate and burn calories. These activities promote fat oxidation and can be highly effective in burning stored body fat. 2. High-intensity interval training. Incorporate HIIT workouts into your routine. These involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. HIIT workouts are known to enhance fat burning, boost metabolism, and improve overall fitness. 3. Strength training. Don't overlook the importance of strength training. Building lean muscle mass can help increase your basal metabolic rate, BMR, resulting in more calories burned at rest. Aim for a balanced workout routine that includes both cardiovascular exercises and strength training. Segment 3. Lifestyle factors. In addition to diet and exercise, several lifestyle factors can impact your body's ability to burn stored fat. Let's explore some of these factors. 1. Sleep and stress management. Prioritize quality sleep and manage stress levels. Lack of sleep and chronic stress can negatively impact your metabolism and increase cravings for unhealthy foods. 2. Hydration. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Drinking enough water helps maintain optimal bodily functions, including fat metabolism. 3. Consistency and patience. Understand that burning stored body fat is a gradual process that requires consistency and patience. Stay committed to your goals and make sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Congratulations, you now have a solid understanding of how to burn stored body fat effectively. Remember, it's all about creating a caloric deficit through proper nutrition, incorporating effective exercise strategies, and adopting a healthy lifestyle. By implementing these techniques and staying consistent, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fat loss goals. We hope you found this video informative and valuable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the Gain Goals channel for more videos on fitness, nutrition, and overall well-being. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.